If you have a sales funnel but you are not able to convert the attention that goes to this funnel to clients or booking calls, then you are probably doing one of those mistakes that I'm gonna show you today. So stick around, because I'm gonna show you exactly what are you doing and how to fix it ASAP. So let's dive into it. First of all, 5 things that people do wrong with their sales funnel and how to fix them immediately. So sales funnels are the backbone of business's client acquisition process, but most people make the same mistakes that prevent their funnels from converting as they should. So we are not converting enough cold audience, cold leads into warm leads, or aka into booking appointments. So this is something that you are doing wrong, and these mistakes often go unnoticed because they are subtle or seem like small issues. Either or not, they are not small. So but over time they add up and lost opportunities and lower conversion rates. So now I'm gonna give you those 5 mistakes, right, as I promised. So first of all, you are not giving your audience enough time to trust you. I see this so many times. People are still pitching like sales and their paid product really soon, and you didn't even build a trust with your audience yet. So you first of all, you have to focus on building trust with people, and then after they trust you enough, then you can convert their attention and them basically into calls and then into paying clients. So the number one mistake is many businesses owners think that they can throw up a funnel, and this is also in your case, and you just push a traffic to this funnel and you convert attention into money immediately. But it doesn't work like that, and especially in online business space, where there is so much competition out there, so many people have sales funnels up and running, but only few of them really understand the market and understand that you have to give away value first, and so on and so on and so on, until people who will start getting results from those free value resources, they will start asking you how I can like get more from your stuff and get like more results. So this is exactly like the stage we want to achieve with every sales funnel, or with every funnel you make for your business. So how to fix it, right? You need to build trust through consistent follow-up, and here is how exactly. So first of all, nurture leads with value. So use email sequences to deliver value over time, or other sequences. The goal is to educate and build rapport. If you're not building rapport, you are not making money. So then second of all, if you have show social proof, so add testimonials, case studies, or success stories from real clients on your sales page and in your email. So for example, write email, this is how Mark made $50,000 next month leveraging this exact funnel, and just describe his story, or maybe like the process of converting his business into 50K a month business. And you can basically build rapport, because people will see that you actually do what you preach and it works. So they will be there will be much higher chance that they will reply to you on your email or so, and they will book a call with you, because they will need and want the same exact results like you delivered for your past client. And also be patient. Patience is the number one key, or the number one characteristic that people don't have at this age. So don't rush the process. Focus on creating an experience that builds trust rather than hard sell. Never hard sell again, because if you are selling hard, then you are basically not making or building the relationship needed with the client and the customer. So focus on or fix these 3 things, right? Second of all, your funnel isn't mobile friendly, and this is a huge one, because huge percentage of traffic today comes from mobile devices. So yet many funnels aren't optimized for mobile use. So what happens is you optimize funnel only for PC, but you completely forget optimize it on mobile phone. And I see these like, oh my god, so many times that when I go through, for example, Instagram or Facebook, and I click on maybe some ad or maybe some funnel, it looks terrible to me on mobile phone. So always make sure that you will optimize every page, every landing page, every funnel you make on mobile devices first, because through mobile you will get 80% traffic through mobile phones, so through mobile devices. So use it smartly and effectively. So how to fix it? It's very easy to how to fix it. So mobile optimization is a non-negotiable. So use tools like ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, or Unbounce, or Go High Level to build funnels. And on the left corner, I think you can switch view from PC view to mobile phone view, and always optimize everything on mobile too. So don't forget about this. Also test your funnel on multiple devices. So also don't forget to run a test, send yourself like a trial version where you will see on your mobile phone how you optimize the funnel you just made for mobile devices, and see what is doing good, what's not, and then repair it after it. That's the also second part. And the third one, ensure fast loading speeds. This is something that you can't I would say insert into your funnels, but I mean, if you really use a reliable software like ClickFunnels or Go High Level or things like that, then they are reliable and they can run smoothly and faster and fast. So don't take like too much time on doing this. But these are like how to fix it, yeah, right? So now, the third one is you have too many distractions on your funnel, right? So when your funnel has too many options or too much information on one place or in one place, it overwhelms your potential clients and causes them to drop off. So instead of convert them into take one action, you convince them to take like 5 or 10 actions, and at the end of the story, they will not do anything because they will be overwhelmed and they will be like too busy thinking what to do next, so they will quit and don't do this anymore, right? So if you add more distractions to your funnel, so too many buttons, links, or unnecessary content, the less likely a visitor will take action. What I recommend is, if you are building a landing page where you have like lead magnet, just have opt-in info, so where a client, opt in their email, name, and maybe phone number, and get like button to get access. That's it. Very simple, because your aim is to just take action and collect information from them. So if they get your information to you, if they give you information, then you can use this information to funnel them, but in the future. So after they give you information, you just send them the lead magnet or send them free value, and that's it. So very simple funnel. Don't build too complicated things, because it's not gonna work for you anymore and anything like that. So simplify your design, as I just mentioned. So focus on one clear goal per page. If you are building a landing page, your goal is to just collect information from a client. If you are building sales funnel, your goal is to convert the prospect or the lead to book a call with your team to sell the leads or sell the clients or the prospect something. You have different funnels, and every funnel has a different goal, right? So focus on one goal instead of like going too many ways and like having too many goals, right? So also limit the options. So use a single clear CTA on each page. As I just mentioned, so only one CTA. Don't get like too fancy about doing like so many CTAs, because if you have one CTA, then there is like 90% chance that that the prospect will take the CTA and you will get the results you want from the page, right? So right, and be strategic with your messaging. So keep your messaging simple and focused on one core idea or offer. So don't try to sell everything at once. If you want to collect only information, focus on only providing free value. Don't sell anything after that. Just build your funnel and your headline and your content below the headline, just for converting people to get you their information. That's it, right? So that's the third one. Fourth one is, you are not using personalization. Fuck, I'm sorry. Right, so the mistake. Many sales funnels treat all leads the same, even though your leads come from different backgrounds and stages in their journey. So maybe some leads come through your through your free content, right? So you're posting content on social media, they can come through these resources. So it is a totally different story, apart from the lead who comes, for example, from YouTube, for example, or who comes from paid ads. So this is completely different story. So if you are leveraging one funnel on 3 stages, for example, they will be really like they will be busy to thinking what to do, because you are maybe telling something to lead that goes through paid funnel, so paid advertising, and maybe content leads, so you are basically providing content for free and they come through these free resources. They have completely different story and background on how they met you, right? So focus on really simplifies these funnels to target specific audience on the page, right, or on the platform, right? So segment your audience, use different email sequences, also that's a huge one, or landing pages for different segments of your audience. So for example, someone who has never heard of you needs a different approach than someone who is already opted in. So if you, for example, provide a sales funnel to leads who never met you before, they don't know that you came from like this country and you did this and your results are, these results, things like that. So focus on this. Also first, personalized email content, so use the person's name. That's really basic, and you have to do this. If you are not doing this, then change it. And also dynamic content on your landing page, so use tools that allow for dynamic text replacement where the headline or offer can change based on the visitor's behavior or location. Also, this one is also good to A/B test, so just build 2 landing pages and see what performs better, and then just stick around with this and double down on the things that work and bring results to your business, right? And the final one is your funnel doesn't have a clear follow-up strategy, and this is, I would say, the biggest mistake that people still do at this age. And it is the mistake. People often assume that if someone opts into a funnel but doesn't immediately buy, they are not interested. But in reality, they may just need more time or nurturing, and many people completely forget about these leads, because if they opted in and if they gave you their information, it means that they are interested in you, in your services, but they are not ready yet. So it is your time to convert this lead into hot lead, so by providing free value, free resources and stuff like that. So nurturing lead and nurturing and nurturing and nurturing until the lead became a client. So without follow-up, they will likely forget about you or move on to someone else. And I moved so many times for someone else because I got pitched like so many times, and I replied so many times on these pitches through Instagram, Facebook and stuff like that. And they completely forgot about me. Like, I didn't even see any follow-up coming from them and anything like that. So don't forget about the leads, because every lead has to be decided, like, if you go for this or not. So if they are not interested at all, then just don't bother them. Maybe after like 3 or 6 months, try again if they are interested in things like that. So it is a completely different story. So don't bother them if they are not interested in you right now. Maybe send follow-up sequences to provide even more value, and follow up with them again until the lead became your client, right? So implement a solid email sequence, so create a series of emails that build value and nurture your leads over a set period of time. Include case studies, success stories, and personal anecdotes, right? This is very important, right? Also, you can use retargeting ads, so don't let the people who visited your funnel but didn't convert slip away. So set up retargeting ads on Facebook or Google to bring them back into the funnel, so they will not like forget about you. They will be still in a funnel, but they will maybe convert couple hours or couple days or weeks in the future to your client, right? Also, the last one, use SMS. SMS has the highest reply rate of these sequences. So if you're not using SMS, even though you collect phone numbers and you are not using SMS retargeting campaigns, you are doing completely wrong case study or wrong way of client acquisition, right? So if your leads opt in for SMS, this is a great way to follow up personally and get their attention quickly, even though maybe you can call them sometime and they will be happily talking to you, because you will provide interest in them, and you basically show them that you are here to solve their problems, right? And this is very important, right? So these are the 5 things that you have to fix right now immediately with this action step that I just provided here on your sales funnel. If you are looking for someone to build you complete sales funnel page with the attention gathering funnels, how can you scale your business to 50K a month or even like 6 figures a month by only leveraging simple basic funnels and strategies, but doubling down on them and see what's working and what's not. Let me know, reach out to me on Instagram or comment down below and I will get back to you. I can take a look on your business, see what's working, what's not, and then we can move forward from this. So that's it from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take action on every step I told you, and don't forget to work hard, smash a like, smash a subscribe button. Cheers.